All are good, guys? All are good?
Yes, Ravi.
Okay, just don't think this data will store in the database. For the testing purpose, we are mocking the object, right? If we are not create this one, right? If need argument, guys, if any method need argument, if we are not passing the argument, you guys can think about that. We can run that what method? Come on, yaar.
No, not
No, Ravi.
No, no.
No,
So
Ravi, we can.
similarly, this if we are mocking this what this method, if we are mocking this method, if we are not passing that what product request data, then how we can test it? No, there is no possibility. So because of that purpose only, what we are using mock framework. Don't think those data. If those data is storing means what? Just last time we performed the save operation also, right? If we are saving this means what? From first time onward to second time till 6 only 6 serial number is there. Any right id is increased? No, na. Come on, give the response, guys.
Yes,
No, Ravi.
no, sir.
That one only I'm saying that we are creating the mock means what? Dummy GSN data here, because we have need to put the some data na, then we can get the read then we can get the clear like what result, right?
Yeah, it won't touch the
Yes,
database.
Ravi.
This one is not touching the database. Okay. Okay, so now let's run this one. Okay, now let's run this one. Okay, just think about that. Here what is that? Based on the id number 1, what I took? Ravi, right? And observe in the database, what is the database? Laptop and Samsung is there, right?
Same, yes,
Yes,
as it is.
Okay, so now I'm running this one. If any change happen in the database, then what will happen? Now in the database also data will update, na? Now see this one. Yeah, product update is failed, right?
Failure.
Yeah, sorry. Mean the in the database, yeah, correct. 1 minute, we will check it. Where that one status code? Okay, 1 minute. Null. But this is the Samsung, something we wrote wrong. 1 minute. Run this one. If J unit test is passed, then we will see it. No, 1 minute. What is the mistake now? But it's giving 4, not 4. No, expectation is something we wrote wrong.
Client
Our
side
expectation
exception.
is what?
200.
200, but
200.
4, not 4.
200. Client side exception.
Yeah, means what? Something we are writing here wrong only. Here itself only we are writing something. Okay, this is the modified, right? No issue, guys. Okay, come here. This is the modified, correct? Oh. Okay, it's our mistake only, guys. Modification in the modification where here we can't pass the dynamic data.
One is there, not there.
Okay,
What
right?
we not there.
Now correct,
Yes.
right? Now let's run this one. Okay, run it, JUnit. Now come in the see this. the console, guys. Now it's succeeded or not? How many methods are succeeded? 4. Update
Success.
method, right? Update method also
4.
means what?
Four.
Our test case is passed or not? Come on.
Yes.
Yes, Ravi.
Okay, you guys are
All the test cases
you
are
guys are
passed.
you guys are thinking about that here update is up happening. No, I'm changing the Ravi now. Samsung is there now. Let's change the Ravi now.
No update.
Ravi, right? I'm changing. If update is happening based on that unit testing also, then it will become
Double
Ravi. It will become first one will become instead of laptop. It will become what? Ravi, na?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, now let's run it. See this, guys, if any change is happening means what? Here we will get what? Red symbol na, and observe the database also. Come in the database. Come inside the database. I'm refreshing. Hey, what is? No, it's coming here.
It's okay. Ravi also came.
No, it's updated also, right? Means what?
Yes, updated.
It's updated, guys.
Yes, Ravi, before also I told that only.
Okay.
Before also inserted.
Before also
sir.
it
Before
was
only 5
inserted.
records only.
Yeah, these
Before
things.
things also inserted.
Yeah, those things also updated. Means what?
Inserted.
It's hitting the database and it's like performing without creating the container.
Yeah,
Okay.
records
got
also
it.
inserted, Ravi.
Yeah, record also injected, right? Record also
Samsung.
injected. Okay, no issue, guys. Okay, so
Yeah, this is
no,
Yes.
I'm not clear
This is
about
what
this one, guys. I'm not clear about this one, guys. Okay, because of that. Okay, thank you for the wearing. Okay, no issue. We are doing the practical, and we know that, right? Whenever we are performing using mock operation, the data also, whatever dummy data we are putting, those data also updating, and right.
Yes.
Okay, this is the clear.
Yes.
Good. I'm also not sure about that last time. Okay, now I'm clear in this one. Okay, good. So now the data will also update it, guys. Okay, in the database, whatever. Okay, no issue. After all, what we have need to check our API is working perfect or not. Then we can submit it na in the Git repository. Come on.
Ravi, can you give one product which is not there in the database? Can you please give that? In update.
Product
In
12.
modification.
Product 12 is not there.
Okay,
Up to 11 only there.
update itself only, right? You want to get
Product ID.
Yeah, in the update, can you give the value which is not there in the database?
okay. Already we took na. Here see, the Ravi was not there in the
Yeah,
like.
12 is not there. 12 is not there.
ID 12.
So for that purpose, we have need to take this one, right? So for that purpose, we have need to take this one, right? So now what I'm doing now, I'm disabling this one. Anyone remember that what is the annotation? Disable, right?
No, don't
No.
do that.
I'm disabling this method. Don't worry. Whatever your expectation is, that one only. Like product ID Samsung, right? Samsung here. What we will take it? Let's take mobile, right? MOB, right? And here I'm taking what? 7.
No, I'm not asking you to save.
Uh-huh.
I'm asking you to update only.
So okay, no issue. Okay, if you
I'm
want
not
to,
asking you to save.
okay, now let's disable that method only, right? I'm disabling this one only, and we will do that. Okay, if you want to update here, right? If you want to update, then what you
Now
want to
update
If
which is
Only
not
we
there
do
in the
ID
database.
12. 1 to 1.
The
In
ID
one
also.
replace 1 to 12.
update operation, right? Update
Because ID
operation.
is auto-generated.
No ID. Okay, but at the time of updation, we have need to ID. We need ID also, right? Come on. Without ID,
Yes.
Yeah, that's
We
why.
just change the database.
That's why I'm asking. Give the ID which is not there in the database. I'm asking.
okay, here you
Then
want.
what happened? We have to see.
Okay, 12 you want,
Yeah,
right?
right. Correct.
Okay,
Correct.
okay.
Yes.
Then our
What
test
happened?
case will fail, guys. Okay, let's see that. Let's see that. Still this one is succeeded, right? Oh, still we are getting the success. Now check this one.
Why?
Yeah, that is.
Now check it in the database.
Yeah, this one
No,
is
Ravi,
giving, right? This one is
should not do
giving.
that. No.
Hmm?
No, it should throw error. No, 12 is not there before.
Actually, is storing and that is showing.
So it is
First one, right?
create, it's,
Well,
But
some
that is
Okay.
wrong, Ravi.
it's
related
That is
created,
wrong,
it's
right?
creating when it's
Updating means we are
right?
updating the existing
Yeah.
record.
Our
I'm not
response.
creating, yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's a correct. I know that. What is your doubt? Okay, so anyone remember that at the time when I was explaining what? When I was explaining repository, data repository, right?
Correct.
So
There, create
okay,
is there. The property
okay, 1 minute,
property file, create is there.
1 minute, 1 minute.
That's why it is creating
Next
the
one.
record.
That's right.
Wait.
Yeah.
Correct.
That's a good catch. Yeah.
So update method, right?
Properties,
For
right?
the same method, what is that? Get product ID. Inside this one only we have need to check it, right?
Yeah, it is calling save also.
1 minute.
Correct. Yeah.
Save, right? Save. If the ID is not there, right? If ID is not there, 1 minute. I want to say so
It is
that
saving.
1 minute.
It
Get
is
one
calling
record.
save method.
Yeah. See, the save method is there, right? If ID is not there, then what will happen now? That one will perform what? Save operation. The same method will perform what? Save operation. Okay, if ID is not,
Okay.
if ID is there, right? If ID is there, then what? The same data will update. If
Update,
if
okay.
ID is not there, then what will happen now? The next object,
It will
then
create.
next data will store in the database.
Okay.
1 minute. You guys are not remembering that one, right? So 1 minute. The save method we 1 minute here only I will show. 1 minute. I need to open the repository. Where the repository now? This is the service IMPL. Fine. In the service IMPL, we are save method and what update both are there, right? For that purpose, what is the method now, guys? Save method now. Come on.
Yes. Now it's clear. Ravi. I
No.
understand.
Okay, so at the time of JPA explanation, at the time of data JPA explanation, save method I explained, right? So what I was explained, just open one more time videos. So this one, right? Like this only. So what I said that for the both purpose, which method we update operation also and what save operation update.
Save operation.
If we want to update the data, for that purpose also we are taking the what save method, as well as what if we want to save the only what save
Yes,
the
Ravi.
data, for that purpose also we are taking the save method only in the data JP repository. In which situation this method is performing what? If ID is exist, if ID is exist, what will happen now? Then update operation will happen. If
Update.
if ID, right? If ID, sorry, if ID is exist,
Idea exists. If idea exists,
sorry, here let's write if ID,
it will update.
if ID is exist, then what will happen now? Update operation will happen. If ID is not exist, right? If ID is not exist, then what will happen now? Then save
To
operation
create the
will happen.
record.
Then what? Save the operation will happen. So here what we are doing now, okay, forget about that, right? Forget about that. Okay, whenever if like if you are giving the explicit, right? Explicit in the entity class where what is the discussion where you are taking, no problem, I will clarify your doubt. So here model class is there, right? Model class is there. Okay, fine. Now so here what will happen now? Auto generated ID is there, but here explicitly also we are
Auto-generated.
here ID explicitly will generate, but in this situation what we are doing now, explicitly in the save operation only, right? The ID we are sending, then what will happen now? Whatever container generated ID is there, that ID will overriding with what? This current ID, this current product ID.
Okay, Ravi.
Okay, okay. Now it's clear. Ravi.
So because of that,
That was the doubt, Ravi.
because of that, what will happen now here? First time what? First time our container is
Still-
checking. Our container is checking. Already 12 ID is there? No, not there. Then what will happen now? That the data is stored here.
Not there.
The data is stored here. And
Yes, Ravi.
if ID is there, if 12 ID is there, and any modification is coming, any modification is coming, then what will happen now? Based on that ID, the data will update it. Watch one more time.
Okay.
All videos are they available about the data JPA. Clearly there I explained, and even like that I know that here test case is what, but based on that our method only we are testing, right? Here we are not thinking about that whole project now. So our responsibility is what? To test our method based on that whatever API we wrote, based on our data, our method is working perfect or not. That's it. That one only we are checking, right?
Correct, correct. Yeah.
So
Yeah,
so
sorry, Ravi.
no, that's a good only. At least the doubt came, right? You guys are discussing, right? Here that means what? The session will become what? Interactive session. Come on. That's very nice things.
Yes.
But
Yes,
but
Ravi.
but these things I already completed about the save method, where I'm explaining in the data JPA, right? Save method. Just watch that topic once. Okay, so
Yeah, but
Hmm.
is there a way,
Yes,
that we
Ravi.
can change the the logic in such a way that when we are doing testing, it shouldn't create a table or update a table in the database? Because what I know about Mockito is that we try to create like kind of a dummy database, right? Where everything we do, it just happen on the dummy, but it doesn't happen in real time, which
Yes,
means that
yes.
it doesn't affect. Yeah, but so it
Yes.
is if it
This
is
one is
affecting
affecting, right?
the,
This one is
yeah.
affecting. Yeah. That's a correct question, right? But 1 minute, I will see that why this one is affecting. Like this is the newer version updation is there, or all those things, because in my experiences, I also not seen this one. Okay, so once I will check it why this one is updating and all those things, like, because this is the new for me also. Just because whenever I'm getting in the company, right, like our whatever I developed our API, for that API, if we need to test it, right, so for that purpose, just we are performing the operation and we are submitting that. But I don't know why this one in the real time also this one is affecting, or here itself only this one is affecting. I will clarify that one only, right? This step I will clarify, because I'm also not clear about this one.
Okay.
I will check once. I will check once even API. This one is updated in the newer version, because we are using what JUnit 5 plus what Mockito 3 version in our application. So I will
Ravi,
clear. Yes.
Ravi,
Yes.
if database will not be there, then what will happen in the
The
test case?
If database is not there,
Yeah,
then
that-
what? We will test our API, right? Then I shown that, right?
Yes,
How see this? How without like implementation class, just I wrote interface and I develop one like mock operation, and there only I tested, right? So we have need to create a dummy database in the mock framework also, to provide the supply of that one.
means if database will not be there,
Otherwise, Ravi, if you stop the database connection and test it, can we do like
yes,
that?
then the data will
No,
be
if
updated
we
or not, and what
no
will be the status?
if we stop the database, then how we can test it? Because we have need to anyone like H2 DBCP and all those, sorry, H2 database is there, right? Our Spring Boot is giving what? One integrated database also. Without a database, how we can test it? No, because this is the what total layered application, right? This is the total layered application now.
Okay, that is why database will affecting.
I will check this one. I'm also not clear about this one. Okay, so I will clarify that one, because this is the new for me. And this is the very good things you guys are pointing this one. Okay, so fine now guys, so we tested, right? We tested put method also, right? Similar way, if you want to remove, right? If you want to test the remove method, if you want to test the remove method also, where that remove update we tested. No, update is still be not tested, right? Update the product.
Update is
Okay,
update we
delete.
tested, Ravi.
No,
Modify is the
yeah,
user we have.
modify update we tested, right? So one more, let's delete also. Let's test the delete method also. Where the
Okay.
delete? Yeah, this is the delete, right? So in the delete itself only, what is that? Remove and ID we need, na? Come on.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine now guys. So similarly what we will do it now, everything will be same guys. Okay, everything will be same here. What we will do now, we will remove it. So let's take first one, we will take it. Yeah,
Copy paste.
let's copy paste the first one, right? This one, product one record we are taking now. Product one record we are taking. Now what I'm doing now, now paste it. Now paste it, and here what we will take it, test delete,
Remove
right?
one. Display name is remove one.
Delete and take here remove.
Remove one.
Remove one, fine. And here order, let's take 5.
5.
Order, let's take a 5. Okay, so here what is that? Here we have need to
Remove
specify.
and ID.
Here deleted what method in the what mock MVC builder, what is that? Delete method is there, guys. Okay, delete method. Here what we will do it now, we will pass what we will pass here what we will pass it now, URI of what, that controller method, right? Oh, okay, so what is that?
App product remove.
Product
App product remove.
app product remove, fine. So here what we will do it
Yes,
now,
Ravi.
guys, slash app product remove, right? Slash here what, first one, let's
ID.
remove the ID number, first one itself only, right? Come on.
Yes, Ravi.
Okay, so now after then what, after removing that one, right? After removing that, what we will get it now, guys? So come inside that controller, right? This is the update operation, right? In the update, okay only we are getting, right? Okay, with what, these are the ID number we are getting, right? Fine.
Yes,
So
Ravi. Okay.
now
All the
for
things are okay.
other thing is same only, just we have need to change this area, this one only, right? This one itself only. So now what we will do it now, let's run this test case. I don't know, this one is creating the mock object, but still it's updating in the right. It's a really little bit. I will prefer one more time. I will read the documentation, guys, and I will give the why this one is updating, right? I need this some time because I'm also not clear about this one, na? Guys, I'm not a god, right? I'm also learning, and those things
Okay.
I'm providing to you people, right? So see, this one is skipping. Why? Because use that
Yeah,
at the rate disable annotation, right? So here see this product removed, see,
Disable.
and that one also what, succeeded, means what, this one also, see this product remove one method is what will happen now, guys? This product remove method is succeeded, means what, our test is passed now, guys. How many methods are there? 5 method, and what, one is skipped.
Check the
See
rate.
this, one is skipped. Why is skipped? Because we used what, at the rate disabled annotation. Now guys,
Disable.
now the people are clear about that, how we are
Check the
testing, how we are performing the test operation using mock in the real time, guys?
Mm,
The people are getting.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes, Ravi.
Yeah, one.
Yes.
Yeah, this one is
Can you
left,
check
guys.
database executive?
Yeah. Sorry. Yeah, database. Yeah, if every operation is.
Database is
Yeah, this one is. See this. That one first record is removed. I will check this one, guys. Okay, this is the doubt is there. First, I will clarify myself only, then I can deliver to you people, na. Because blindly I can't give anything, guys. Okay, because blindly, because here all are the experienced people, right? If blindly, if I am sharing the things, then that is the very bad things, na. So first, I will clarify myself, then I will deliver to you people. Okay, so for that scenario, don't talk now. Later, I only will pinch this topping in the next session, guys. Okay. Now, accept this one.
Okay,
Till
Ravi.
accept this one. Whatever concept, whatever things I explained, guys, that things is clear now.
Yes,
Yes,
Ravi,
Ravi.
clear.
Yes, Ravi,
Yes,
clear.
Okay, okay. I can understand.
Okay, guys. So now, based on the Mockito framework, whatever things is there and whatever we are using in the company, also those things I deliver to you people now, guys. So let's stop the session and related to Spring Core, two topic: batch processing and MongoDB is left now. I will and a security. Spring OAuth something. Padma, you need, right? OAuth na in the microservices. Yeah, in the
OAuth, Ravi, yeah.
yeah, in the microservices I will touch these things, but you guys, whatever I explained in this mini project, guys, complete it, because if you guys are not like aware this concept, that time the things whenever I will explain microservices, that is the horrible for me to explain to you guys. Okay, so just my humble request, at least one time watch your video and what do the practical.
Sure, Ravi, yeah.
yes.
This
Because
is really useful, Ravi. It's very useful,
yeah,
Mockito.